So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money to your stake account here on Freecash. So if you want to withdraw money to your stake account, go to the bottom and press on the cash out icon. Once you're on this page right here where it says cash out, the first option for me is stake right here. So you can actually withdraw your balance right here into stake. So if I were to go ahead and select on stake right here, you can actually confirm in regards to how you want to do this. So you can do this in regards to Litecoin, Solana, Doge, TRX, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, USDC, and basically select the cryptocurrency that you want to go ahead and proceed with. So if I wanted to go ahead and press Bitcoin right here, you can go ahead and do this. You can type in your username, the amount in Canadian dollars, type in the fee, all this kind of stuff. Once that is done, go ahead and press withdraw, and you guys can proceed that way with it. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can withdraw money to your stake account here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.